and my dear students and colleagues. Today we are going to discuss about EPG Pathsala, which is a gateway to all postgraduate courses. Means if you want to get more about the postgraduate courses, not specifically for engineering, even for all other allied courses like English, mathematics, political science, either from the science background or from language and arts background. So you can get the details of those postgraduate courses on this portal, which is EPG Pathsala. And this is an MHRD project under National Mission on Education through ICTE, which is NMEICT. Okay, and this whole website has been managed by InfliBayNet Center, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, India. Okay, so if you want to go to this page, just type EPG Pathsala on Google. You will get this detail, or you can also type epgpathsala.inflibinet.ac.in. Then you can directly redirect to this web page, okay, or this website. So this website includes more than 20,000 plus e-texts on different subjects and more than 19,000 plus video lectures or video content on this website. Similarly, there are more than 32 plus experts associated with the development or the course whom course are going to be registered or already uploaded on this page. More than 30,000 plus quizzes are uploaded. More than 70,000 subjects and 723 papers are uploaded on this page. Okay, let's see how what are the things we can access, like UGC MOOC, a vertical of SWAYAM, which is also a concern or part of EPG Pathsala, ePath, which is ebooks, eAdhyan, ebooks for UG and PG courses. What are the parts, what are the content which EPG Pathsala covers? Like eAdhyan, you can directly, if you will click here, then you can go to this eAdhyan ebooks pages. UGC MOOC courses, which is also a vertical of EPG Pathsala, and UGC MOOCs are also one of the national coordinator of SWAYAM. Okay, we will also cover one video, we will prepare one content on SWAYAM as well in upcoming sessions. And ePath, which is an offline access of all the e content of students pursuing higher education, and this is also one of the verticals of EPG Pathsala. Okay, now let's see what is there for the students here. Okay, how students or any learner who want to learn something, that will be a student, what he can get it from EPG Pathsala. You have to click here on this student corner, so you will get uploaded courses or subjects of 22,000 plus modules or e-texts or videos are here. Okay, I will not go one by one. I will cover few topics or how you can access most out of this e-content of EPG Pathsala. Let's click on English. Okay, if you are belonging from this English field, click here. It will directly redirect you to this page of English. Okay, I reached to this page, subject English. Now you have to select the paper of which paper you want to see. Okay, if you want to learn more about English literature up to 1590, then there are more than 35 content. Like select one module, module number 1, which is introduction to age. Okay, then there are total 3 tabs. First is e-text. Here what you will find out, there will be a one PDF which you can read or you can scroll to get the detail about your content, whatever you have selected. So that module you can go through. Then there is a tab which is learn more. If you will click here on the learn more, then they will give you some list of subjects. What are the list of books you can refer to learn this subject, which is introduction to age or this module. Okay, so these are the reading list. Okay, some online resources are there. You have to click here, that will directly redirect you to that online resources of respective module. What are the points to ponder? Okay, did you know the things related with this module they have specified? So you can directly learn more. You have to click here to get a brief idea about the content which is uploaded on this EPG Pathsala on this module of this paper. Now click on self-learning. Self-learning, this will redirect you to this page of a YouTube lecture or a video lecture which you can see or you can browse and learn with the help of this self-learning tab of specifically to this module of this paper. Okay, and this you can see what are the things are there. A professor will
We
explain
are
what are
going to
the
study a few
objectives and how
things.
you can learn. This is a kind of video lecture, you can say. So you will get video lecture here with the help of self-learning. If you will click on e-text, you will get a PDF by which you can learn the text. If you will click learn more, then they will give you some references of books, other websites or other video lectures that you can go through. So these are the things which are associated with a particular paper and a particular module. Okay, now you can again back to your subjects if you want. Okay, that will redirect you to other subjects whichever you want. Like if you are belonging from a education field, means if you are teaching, you are a teacher or a faculty in different, then you can click to the education, that will redirect you to the page of education. There are many practices or many subjects related to the education. Like I'm going to introduction to inclusive education. Okay, and there is a very famous module of that is professional ethics in inclusive education teachers and teacher educators. So click here, that will redirect you to self-learning, because here in this module they have already uploaded the e-content, or that is a video lecture of professional ethics. You can go through it and learn as much as possible. Okay, similarly again you can search Hindi, forensic science, and similarly for the engineering background there is a subject which is called electronic science, which is very common subject in the first year engineering students. So you can directly go to the engineering digital electronics paper, select the modules whatever you want to learn. There are the e-text will be there. You can go to the e-text, go to the learn more. You can, and similarly you can browse many courses with the help of this EPG Pathshala and learn as much as possible. So they have uploaded n number of things here on this EPG Pathshala. Just go through it and get maximum out of it, and utilize this ICT platform of Government of India, developed by or started by MHRD under National Mission on Education through ICT. So I am stopping here. You can go to the web page of this EPG Pathshala and learn as much as possible. Thank you so much for your patience listening. Till that time, do subscribe our engineering college, Banswara, Rajasthan, which is an autonomous institute of Government of Rajasthan, for more such content of different branches of engineering and education for your enhancement of teaching learning methodology. Thank you so much. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more update from our engineering college Banswara YouTube channel. Thank you so much.